Finding the right CNC personnel can be challenging, and that is no surprise given the complexity that comes with machinery. It's hard for the conventional machinist to adapt to these intricate systems. What if specialized knowledge and skills are no longer needed for machining? What if we have something that anyone can use for machining on a professional level? Designed and produced in the Netherlands, the Style CNC control system is the heart that has driven us to continuously keep innovating every day for more than 30 years. The controls for both lathe and milling, for small and single series, for both the novice and the experienced CNC operator. Our purpose is for our clients to realize excellence while experiencing simplicity. That's why our system doesn't just think along, it offers the possibility to create completely unique products and customer-specific parts by simply entering a few values. Thanks to the capabilities of the Style CNC control system, production mistakes are a thing of the past. The entire process and its estimated duration can be viewed beforehand, and as soon as there appears to be an error, the system will notify you. This means that everyone can machine completely independently after just a few hours of training. Production speeds will be increased, customers have full control over the process and the result. Exit yourself, make an appointment and visit one of our locations. Realize excellence, experience simplicity.